High-paying side hustles in Canada. To break into the circle of the rich, you need more than one stream of income. There are many side hustles in Canada for those who want to earn that extra income. Basically, side hustles that offer a high level of convenience is better than those that will still stress you out. Considering this, we have brought those side jobs that will earn you some money with less stress. Before we proceed, it is important you know we are working on lots of opportunities that will be beneficial to you. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. And ring the bell to be the first to get a notification on the next video. Here is a list of the high-paying jobs in Canada. 1. Drive for a ride-sharing company. Driving for a ride-sharing company is one of the easy side hustles to start in Canada. Uber is one of the most popular services. Uber serves 17 Canadian cities. It is very flexible and you earn as you work. The hours you work will determine the pay. This makes it a valid side hustle. Sign up is quite easy, all you need is just have a license and a car. Also, know that car maintenance expenses are on you. 2. Sell crafts on Etsy. Are you a creative who spends tons of time trying out new crafts? It is time to earn from this as a side hustle. Etsy is a platform that offers you the opportunity to sell your handmade crafts. It is super flexible to use and can make you up to lots of cash if you do some marketing for your products. 3. Start a blog. If you have a good command of the English language, understand a little about blogging, and choose a highly sought-after niche, a new enriching side hustle just began. This is a great side job in Canada and everywhere in the world. 4. Become transcriptionist. A transcriptionist is a person who converts voice recordings to text and written documents. If you are an expert in the medical field, go ahead and transcribe medical recordings. You also need to have excellent typing skills and keen hearing. 5. Proofreader. Do you have an eye for detail and a good knowledge of the English language? Then, a proofreading job is just the best for you. Simply correct grammar errors on documents and get paid. As long as there is internet access, you can work from anywhere in the world. For instance, Caitlin from Proofreading Anywhere made over $43,000 in 1 year as a proofreader. 6. Web design. If you're looking for a high-demand side job in Canada, web design is one of them. Build a web design business by working with clients to build websites. You may even sell pre-made templates on sites like Etsy. 7. Sell photography. With a good eye and camera, you are on your way to becoming a famous photographer. Then, some digital marketing skills will make the venture sell faster. You may also sell stock photos on sites like Shutterstock, Deposit Photos, Getty Images, and Istic Photo. They allow you to upload your photos and sell them for money. I hope you enjoyed this video on the high-paying side hustles in Canada. Which would you be considering? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Remember to click the subscribe button below to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.